It's getting hotter outside, you're sweating more, your curly hair is in the way, it's hot, it's thick. What do you do about it in a way that doesn't damage your curls when you want to wear them down later? That is what this video is all about. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Delmonica with Curls Monthly. On today's video, we're going to be chatting all about the Hairitage by Mindy Mint Satin Scrunchies. These are so cute. They're in your June 2024 Curls Monthly mailer. And I'm gonna be showing you how I use satin scrunchies specifically in the summer, because I honestly use them all the time. Like I literally just used one this morning for 3 hours when I needed it. So there's lots of different just fun, simple ways you can put them in your hair and utilize them so you are not going to be putting creases in your hair. You're not going to be pulling and damaging the curl. It's also really great for people who need to wear their hair up for work. This is also going to help you as well. So obviously this scrunchie is satin, so it can be used for sleep protection, but it can also be used for styling because it's really cute and I love the color. It's so summery and cute. If you're going to use it for sleep protection, remember when you pineapple your hair, you want to put your hair all the way to the top. So you actually want to almost unicorn your head up to the front, and that's how you're going to protect your hair at night. I think a lot of people, they hear pineapple and they'll put their ponytail back here, and that's great and that's cute, but that's going to pull all this hair in the front flat and it's not going to keep any of this curly. So the further forward your pineapple is, the better that the curls in the front of your face are going to remain. So let's go through some cute hairstyles that I like to do in the summertime just to keep my curls intact, but also get my hair out of my way. I know if I'm working in the yard or if I'm taking a walk or anything like that, I want my hair to look nice later on, but in the moment, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, and I want my hair out of my face. So the obvious one, which is one reason why I love this specific scrunchie, is because it does stretch out wide, but it also is a little bit smaller of circumference. So it fits my hair perfectly, just looping it around one time. So one of my most favorite things to do is to literally wrap it around once, and then I'll just pull out a little bit of hair just to give me a little bit of volume. And I always think that just looks so feminine and cute, and I don't know, just is the vibe of the season. I also think I must say having bangs really helps just make any of these hairstyles look cute. But if you don't have bangs, pulling out a few key pieces, maybe 2 in the front, 1 here and 1 back here, always also really helps it to just look more I think ethereal and whimsical. So that really always helps these hairstyles, even though they're simple, just look a lot cuter. But anyway, that's what I would do. If you have more fine hair, of course you can loop it twice, but just don't loop it too hard. And then when I take it out, I do not have any type of ponytail crease. It slips out so easily, and there you have it. It's such an easy, nice, fun hairstyle for the summer. Now, my second favorite way to wear it is by doing sort of my cutesy little bring it on high pony. I do this all the time. And same thing, I'll get a scrunchie. I take walks like this all the time. And it's a little silly, but I think it is so cute. I literally walk around like this all the time. I do this when I work out, and it's just a really more fun way to wear your hair. I think it's more sporty and cute. The other one is more whimsical. So that's what I do. Again, you can take out some front framing pieces, some back pieces, some back curls, and it just makes it look that much more fun. But again, take this out of my hair. My hair's not stretched. It literally looks the exact same way before I put it up. Another favorite method that I do is, of course, a fun little half up, half down. So for that, I'll just take some sections of my hair, and I like doing a nice loose sort of again, that whimsical look, half up, half down. And for this, you can try wrapping it around one time. I have to do 2, but I still won't get a ponytail crease because of the material. And then I just pull it down a little bit and then flex out the hair, so it is more just that looser look. And again, I wear my hair like this in the summer all the time. I think it looks so 90s mom. I love it. But it's just another really great way to get your hair out of your face, but it still looks really put together and honestly so cute with any style. So those are my favorite. Definitely let me know your favorite hairstyles with scrunchies below, and I'll see you next time.